So welcome to the workshop. I just wanted to show you my cordless drill station. I've got 4 French cleats here working as a team. If I want to assemble something, I simply take the drill, take a battery. I only ever keep fully charged batteries on here. Once I've used the tool for a while, I put it on this charging station and then bring it back once it's fully charged, so these are always ready to go. Here I've got a couple of extensions, so this can go in. If this is the wrong size, I can put that back where it lives and take out the right size, and I'm ready to assemble. I haven't moved anywhere. Now I might be drilling. If that's the case, I can put this back. Here I have a set of drill bits. They are just a couple of rare earth magnets on the wall board on the French cleat, and I've just glued a couple of pieces of steel to the back. So simply open up, take a drill, drill what I need to. This goes back in the holder, back on the wall for next time. Drill back in the holder, battery back on the shelf. Everything has a home. Yeah, the setup works really well for me. I know where everything is. It's grab and go, everything to hand. I'm not rummaging through drawers looking for hex bits or whatever, and I'm not looking around for my drill bits. Everything is together in a station. Works superbly well for me. If you'd like these drawings, you'll find them on the website at neatfrenchcleat.com. I've been Alan, you've been watching. I'll see you in the next video.